My name is Purvi and welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Spanish Made Easy by Purvi. And please watch this video till the end. And अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट्स है तो प्लीज़ डू राइट ऑन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड मैंने अपने बुक्स की लिंक भी नीचे दे दी है, तो आप उसको खरीद के अपने घर में प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. So what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn irregular verbs. In our previous videos we have seen कि रेगुलर वर्ब्स क्या क्या होते हैं, उसे कॉन्जुगेशंस होते हैं, कितने टाइप के रेगुलर वर्ब्स होते हैं, उसको कैसे कॉन्जुगेट करते हैं, उसके सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस क्या क्या होते हैं, हम लोगों ने ऐसा ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. फिर आई हैव गिवन यू अ प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल जिसमें हम लोगों ने काफ़ी सारे वर्ब्स, न्यू वोकैबुलरीज यूज़ किए थे. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो आप अभी भी वो वीडियो देख सकते हैं, बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन द लिंक बिलो ऑन माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. तो टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट लर्निंग अबाउट द इर्रेगुलर वर्ब्स. सो व्हाट आर इर्रेगुलर वर्ब्स? इर्रेगुलर वर्ब्स होते हैं, वो भी तीन टाइप के ही होते हैं, जिसके एंडिंग्स तीन टाइप के ही होते हैं, AR, ER एंड IR. बट उसके जो स्टेम्स होते हैं वो भी चेंज हो जाते हैं, उसके यूसेज एकदम सेम होते हैं. जैसे हम इंग्लिश में वर्ब्स यूज़ करते हैं वैसे ही हम स्पेनिश में भी वर्ब्स यूज़ करते हैं. बट उसके जो कॉन्जुगेशन होते हैं, जो मैंने आपको समझाया था विद रेस्पेक्ट टू द सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस, वो उसके स्टेम भी चेंज हो जाते हैं. रेगुलर वर्ब्स में हम स्टेम चेंज नहीं करते, इर्रेगुलर वर्ब्स में वी डू चेंज द स्टेम एज वेल. So let's start with the irregular verbs. So first example we will take is of where. Where means to see. So how to conjugate this with respect to the subject pronouns? I will show you now. Let's write BVE all the 6 forms. For your form it becomes beo, that means I see. And for to form, that is second person singular, it becomes base. And for third person singular, that is L-I-A-U-S-T-E-D, it remains be. For nosotros, that is we, it becomes vemos. For vosotros, it becomes base. For the third person plural, it becomes ben. Beo, base, be. Vemos, base, began. So this is how we use the irregular verbs. I have taken these 3 examples because in 3 examples में same changes होते हैं, so that we can relate what changes they go through and we can learn them very nicely and we can learn them in a very simple form. Ir means to go, estar is to be and dar is to give. Now we will see their conjugations. So for the first person singular, the verb will be conjugated as voy. That means I go. Voy. For the second person singular, it would become vas. For the third person singular, it would become va. For the first person plural, it would become vamos. For the second person plural, it would become vais. And for the third person plural, it would become van. So it is voy, vas, ba. Vamos, ba is van. Estar. Estar means to be. So for the first person singular, the verb will be conjugated as estoy. Here I have written voy, here we will write estoy. We will go to the third example. Third example I have taken dar. Dar means to give. Want to compare all the three examples that I have taken here, we would see that the stem is changing in the same way and endings are also the same. For example, about ir, for the first person singular we have used boy, for estar we have used estoy, and for dar we have used doi. For the second person singular we have used vas, estas, idas. For the third person singular, ba, esta, ida. So you can see the endings, estamos, idamos, vais, estáis, dais, van, están, and dan. So now you can compare these three verbs together and this will get intact to your mind. So now take in the examples of saler, aser and poner. Saler means to leave, poner means to put, and aser means to do or to make something. As like, yo hago la cama, I am preparing the bed. Yo hago el examen, I am doing an exam. The first person singular, the conjugation becomes hago. For the second person singular, the conjugation becomes haces. For the third person singular, the conjugation becomes hace. For the first person plural, the conjugation will become hacemos. For the second person plural, the conjugation is haces. And for the third person plural, the hacen. So now you will see the example of saler. Saler means to leave. Whenever you will see the conjugation of saler, saler for the first person singular, it becomes salud. For the second person singular, it is sales. For the third person singular, it is sale. For the second person plural, it remains sales. Poner is to put. To put something somewhere, we use poner. So for the first person singular, poner becomes pongo. Person singular, poner becomes pone. And for the third person plural, that is eos, eas, eustades, the poner verb change into ponen. So now you have salgo, pongo, haces, sales, pones, haces, sale, pone, hacemos, salemos, ponemos, haces, sales, pones, hacen, salen, y ponen. So now these three verbs are very easy to compare and to learn. Thank you so much for watching this video.